Hi, in this video I'll show you how to edit videos right on your phone, fast, free and with no watermarks. Just a few minutes of your time and you'll be able to create your first full edit in CapCut. CapCut is available on iPhone and Android. I'll be showing this on an iPhone 50 Pro, but it works the same on Android. Download the app and create a free account. If a payment window pops up, just tap the X to close it. Tap New Project, select your videos and add them in the right order. If the order is not correct, just press and hold the clip to drag it into place on the timeline. To edit more precisely, pinch to zoom in on the timeline with two fingers. This helps you work frame by frame and make accurate cuts. Before you start speaking, place the playhead, tap split and delete the extra part. Do the same at the end of the clip. You can also trim video while inputting them from your phone using the trim feature right inside CapCut. Between clip, tap the white square and choose blue or fast swipe. This creates a smooth dynamic transition that keeps viewers' attention. You can adjust the duration using the slider. And you're done. Fade transitions are marked with the Pro label. Tap Text, add text, type your title. Change the font. Color. And add an entry animation. CapCut offers tons of font styles and effects. Just experiment to find what fits your video best. Music brings your video to life. Go to Audio, Sounds, Vlog Album, pick a track and add it to your timeline. To make it sound smoother, add fade in and fade out. Tap fade and adjust the duration. Overlay, add overlay. Why use it? To visualize what you're talking about. For example, when you mention a specific object or event. You can use overlays in different ways, either fully cover to the main shot or place a short clip on top. Select your overlay and tap Remove Background. CapCut automatically removes the background, no green screen, no masks, no complex setup. It's perfect for placing yourself over another clip or creating a talking head effect. Add a style. Filters. Bokeh, for example. Or choose another preset. Reduce the intensity to around 40 for a more natural look. For more control, open Adjust and fine-tune the colors manually. For example, lower the saturation or add some warmth. At the end of the timeline, remove the CapCut logo. Just tap it and hit delete. To make video look complete and smooth entry and exit animation. Animation, in, fade in animation. Out, fade out. This gives your edit a clean and professional finish. Before saving, double check your settings. Resolution 4K, frame rate 25-30 fps, and bitrate recommended. Once everything looks good, tap Export, Save to device, and your video will be saved to your gallery. That's it, you've just edited your first video in CapCut. Subscribe if you want to learn how to add effects, use AI tools, and make your videos even better.